हेलो 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 हेलो। सो गाइस, आज का वीडियो हम लोग देखते हैं। वेयर वी आर यस्टरडे प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गया था, इवेंट हो गया था, स्ट्रिंग हो गया था, और स्ट्रिंग होने के बाद नंबर्स पे हम लोग आने वाले थे, राइट। सो गाइस, मैं एक बार टेस्ट कर लेता हूँ इसको, और नंबर्स पे हम लोग आते हैं, और यहाँ पर आते पहले हम लोग अपना पहले ls कर लेता हूँ, cd doc ls di पे चल देता हूँ। हम लोग यहाँ थोड़ा सा जावा डिफॉल्ट लाइनक्स खोल लेंगे। यहाँ आ जाते हैं हम लोग अपना मतलब यहाँ पर हम लोग अपना डायरेक्टरी पहले निकाल लेंगे, डायरेक्टरी का URL पेस्ट कर देंगे। इसके बाद ये डायरेक्टरी URL पेस्ट नहीं हुआ है गाइस, मैं पेस्ट कर लेता हूँ, कॉपी पेस्ट करके CSS प्रैक्टिस। ये आ गया हम लोगों का। या लिनक्स पे आ जाते हैं हम लोग। लिनक्स पे हम लोग क्या देख रहे थे, VI एडिटर, राइट। सबसे पहले स्विच देख लेते हैं इसका। तो VI एडिटर का स्विच पढ़ लेंगे आज इसके साथ साथ ही। ओके, सो राइट नाउ एक बार चेक कर लेंगे, देखिए गाइस। So guys, let's वो मैं मैसेज कर दिया। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे यहाँ पर नंबर्स। तो जावास्क्रिप्ट नंबर्स क्या है? JavaScript has only one type of numbers. Numbers can be written with or without decimals, like this we can write. So what I will be do here, and just I'll be copy this guy, and inside my file I'll paste, and with using D only I will delete all the files, okay. And I'll come from back from this file, we have to write colon wq using this, and I'll run this program. So I'm getting this too, okay, fine. So what is inside the program? We have just we are printing the numbers, okay. So next in switch, so in switch what is there? VI switch from commands. To start typing in VI editor, you have to be in insert mode. There is a different commands in VI editor through which can we start typing at the different location of insert mode. They are different below I. The I command allows you to write before the current character, okay. We already learned these things. Look at the web snapshot. Our cursor is at E. We forgot to write words command before words example, so hence here we can use I command. Okay, look at the above asset notes. After placing I, we wrote word command I ci. Okay, command. The command I allows us to write a start of the current line. Okay, the I command start of the line. Okay, so the snapshot we want to write the hello at the starting of the line. Look at the above snapshot. After pressing I will have type hello at the starting of the line. Allow a bit ends of the current line. Okay, fine. And capital A and capital O. Capital O commands allow start a new line after the current line. And capital O is allows to starting a new line before the current line. Okay, let me check with the guy. Capital I will type capital O. Fine. Capital O means what? And if I put like inside O means okay, again I'll put capital O. Fine. Using capital O we can okay, if I give here O, only O, okay, I got it. See, using O and capital O is the difference is like O is all means if simply will be put O, then it will be means give one space on that line, and if I put capital O, then it will cursor will be there only, but one line will be will get one line space. It's like see, I'll not clearly understand you. Like, see, the command allows you to start typing in the new line after the current line, and look at the above snapshot, and the capital O is allows us to start typing a new line before the current line. End of the line. So if you want to go there, if we want to go at the end of the line, what should we will put? Capital A, simply. If you want to go first of the line, then what I will do? I'll just put capital I. Okay, it's not. Yeah, see, I put given capital I, it came to first line. Okay, fine guys, we're done with switch here. Now we will go to that move. Next comes to JavaScript practice. Next, extra large or extra small numbers can be written in the scientific exponent notations. We already learned this all. I'm not going to run this program now. Right now, JavaScript numbers are always 64 bits floating point. Unlikely many other programming languages, it does not define any different types of numbers like integers and sorts, long, float, etc. JavaScript number is always a sort as a double precision floating point number. Floating is international triple season 64 standard. This is the format store a number of 64 bits and number of the store and bits 0 to 51 exponential and bit 52 to 62 and sign of 63. Integer of precision. So integer of precision. What is integer of precision? Integer precision. Integer precision. X will be the like this and y will be this. The maximum number of the decimal is 17. The minimum number of decimal is what? Let me run this program first, guys. What I'll be do, copy this guy and you'll come back. Why if I give this guy already what we learned before, we just trying to practice those things in Linux, guys. Floating point is done. To solve the problem, it helps to multiply and then divide. First it will be divided with this guy, after then it will be calculated. Okay, adding number and string, adding numbers and strings. If you two numbers, as result will be the number. If you add two strings, the result will be the string concatenations. Okay, it should be a 1020. Okay, we already learned in English. Yeah, we already learned in script string. Numeric strings. JavaScript strings can have numeric content. JavaScript strings can have numeric content. JavaScript content. So what is that output here? I declare with what is string. This is the what is the output inside. And just refresh this guy and 10. Why I am getting 10 here? Why I am getting 10? So is there? Let me check it this way. JavaScript will try to convert a string into numbers in all numeric operators. This will work. How string values is working? JavaScript will be convert a string to number when dividing. Okay, fine. it means that if you use okay, so when you go for use what positive means plus, then it will be concatenate. What will be the answer of 90? Fine. How it is? Network HTML equals to this. Comes to plus, it will be 10010. Yes, I know that. Only the using when we go for plus sign, it will be concatenate. Otherwise, those strings values are as a considered as numeric only. Whenever we typed in a string, any number, okay, not a number, none. Like this, how we can be right? Suppose I'll give oh. So now I'll be what I'll do, just put none. Why I'm using number. I'm that number I am dividing with a string. So this will return none, not a number. Okay. Next, guys. So what will be happen when we use that 10? This guy, it will be the output of 10, but the scenario is whenever we divide with any alphabetic character, not numeric, alphabetic, then it will be thrown none. Here what I'll be get, let's see, it's 10. I'm thinking about that. Okay, so guys, I have to work today like 7 or 8 hours continuously. So I have to practice is none. Let me eat today first, guys. What is saying? Take bar, game bar. Let me try with this guy. What is happening? We are using here is none function. So it is none function. What is return? Return is none functions always return in a boolean. Okay. Let me refresh. So it whatever it will be throw. It will be throw the please my minute. What happening here, guys? Okay, just mistake here. Before me, I have to write what I should put here I, right, and what I'll be put L, and for going out I'll keep insert, but insert using it will be through I'll from back from this DI editor I have to use colon. Guys, it's in insert mode. So colon WQ. Okay, fine. And I have to just refresh. It will be true output. Fine. Next, or the result might be concatenations like NN5. Okay. X none. So X is a string. None is a string here. But and Y is a 5, and it will be add that it will be concatenate pakka, but I didn't given that what it called inverted comma here, so it should be if I want to down this numbers, I have to use simply capital O, and I'll have to put this guy. I have to just this guy, and I have to delete this, and simply I have to put it so what's happening here, guys? I'm not able to write Z. I'll give a space. I'll for back, and let me check the answer here. What I'll be get? Boom, nan5. That's string. That string I'm getting, but didn't provide any double inverted comma here in X, and in integer value we provided what string value, but still it is concatenating. Okay. None is the number type of none returns number. Okay. Infinity. So let me run this guy, and what I'll get the output here. So we just give capital O here, and type Control Shift D, and I'm getting what I am looking for, but here fine. What I'll be do, I'll come back and refresh. So actually what we are getting here, see, my number is 2, so I declare a variable called 2, and let text has string values, but empty string. Okay, text while number not equal to infinity. So so its number is not equal to infinity. So my number plus into my number, text plus my number and br means break. First while loop, it will, whenever it will be run and the condition is not infinity, then it should be a number 2 into 2 is 4, and text, what is the text? I don't know. Here text should be text plus number, text is nothing 2, the document element by the HTML or text. I have to give the answer. So let me check the answer. What is 4? First is 4, fine, it is fine. Second is 16 to 56, like this it will be moved, right? And till infinity it will be run. Okay, this while loop. Next, divide by 0 is also a generate infinity. So sometimes we learn before that divide by 0, we divide, a number is divided by 0, it's give infinity, right? The output is infinity. Next, I'll just delete all the files and refresh. I'll refresh. Fine. So infinity I am getting. So both, what is that? Why I am getting infinity? So let's have one x as variable and x y as x. I'll be back to again, and next to move to next program means practice. Example infinity, hexadecimal. So let me learn hexadecimal. What is the hexadecimal? A JavaScript interprets numeric constants as hexadecimal if they are preceded by 0x. Let me पानी चलेगा, हम बोल रहे तो चलवे करते हैं पानी. ऑफ ट्रिपल है, शाम तक चलेगा. सो लेट मी गाइस, पानी का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है घर पे. तो सो नेक्स्ट लेट कम विथ this is the hexadecimal number and this is the number. Okay guys, and I have getting a from this and we just given this hexadecimal number and the content HTML is equals to x. Practice those things. Never write a number with like leading 0, and some of JavaScript variations numbers are octal if you write with a leading 0. By default, JavaScript display a number of base 10 and decimals, but you can use the toString method, output numbers of base 2 and beta base 36, display decimal 36, decimal of base 10, octal are based on 8, binary of base 2. So what I'll be get to string, what I'll get this in this. If I run this program, what I'll be get, let me check. Okay, okay, so see, I just analyze this something here. I have to analyze decimal 32 I am getting the print. Okay, so what I just changing the number in the hexadecimal number, dow try decimal, decimal, hexadecimal, dow decimal, decimal, octal, binary. That's it. There I am just giving a number and I am printing this. So I am getting how we are changing the numbers in the hexadecimal: base 32, base 16, base 12, base 10, and base 8 and base 2. Okay. This is fine to everyone, guys. Next, what I'll be do, JavaScript numbers and objects. We have going to learn JavaScript numbers and objects. So normally JavaScript numbers are primitive values created from the literals. So this is called literals, this is called variables, this is called data types. But numbers can also defined as an object with a keyword new. So we can also that numbers we can using object we can create that number. We make this primitive data type to object data type. Okay, so right now it is an object data type. Okay, so x y as an first we declare it as a primitive, and right now we declare it as an object. Okay, fine. Do not create a numbers object new keywords complicated the code of slow down exit object can be preceded in effective result. So what happened, guys, whenever we write new keyword using new keyword, whenever we go with new keywords, so it's effect on our speed of executing the program. Okay, so that is the reason we are not using many times in the JavaScript means that new keyword, then primitive data types whenever we need to use for. Let's using equal to operator x and y are equal. So let me practice these things, guys. So we are here for just practicing JavaScript small programs, so we'll get later in clear code of knowledge. So see, I'm getting true, and why I'm getting true here, if I come with here x it has a 500 and y has new 500, so those both are the, and x is an in primitive data type, but y is an object data type, but I'm calculating those are, I'm just giving conditions like with x and y, both are the same story in a database. Like in our database it's same number of story, same, though both are the same in a story, nothing is different there. Using what if we use equal to operator, then what is the use of this guy? So I will just I'll teach you guys here. What I'll be do here, if I keep capital I, so it is comes to come back here, and I just put I, and I'll give one equal and insert, I'll come back again, and just I'll check the output here. Okay, so what is the output here? Let's see, false. Why I am forgetting false? So let me learn this things. So using operators y and x are not equal, not that difference between equal to. Hello.